So we got 2 ways to do it.
Okay, go home.
We got a bee escape. Who am I showing this to? Both of you? This takes a day. You put it on top of your hive. No, you put it below your supers, right? And then the bees can't figure out how to get back up once they go down. So, never used one, but this is one way to get your bees off.
Does the screen side go down or up?
Up. Like that. The theory is the bees just can't figure out how to, you know, I'm not sure, Jessica.
I would think it goes down.
Yep.
Yeah, because they can't get in it.
Has anybody here ever used one of these? How does it work, Matthew?
All right. The bees, they can find their way down and they find their way out, but they can't figure out how to get back in. You probably don't want to leave it on for more than a day because they'll figure out how to get back up in there. But last time I used it, I think I had 4 honey supers on. I put it on first thing in the morning, and by lunchtime, almost all the bees were down. There'll still be a few.
Alrighty. Thank you, Matthew.
So you have to lift up all the supers, put that under it, and then lift, and then take the supers.
That's not real fun.
Yeah.
Okay.
But if you leave it more than a day, they'll figure out how to get back up in.